Hello students, have a nice day. Today you are going to see Unit 3 Poem Your Space written by David Bates. About the poet, David Bates is an American author. His best poems are Childhood and Speak Gently. Let us read the poem. Speak gently, it is better far to rule by love than fear. Speak gently, let not harsh words mar the good we might to hear. Second stanza. Speak gently, love doth whisper low the vows that true hearts bind, and gently friendship's accents flow, affection's voice is kind. See the rhyming words. Farmer, F-A-R, M-A-R, mer. Farmer. Next, fear, here. Fear, here. See second stanza. Low, flow. Low, flow. And next, bind, kind. Bind, kind. Third stanza. Speak gently to the little child. Its love be sure to gain. Teach it in accents soft and mild. It may not long remain. Fourth stanza. Speak gently to the young, for they will have enough to bear. Pass through this life as best they may. It's full of anxious care. Look at the rhyming words. Third stanza. Child, mild. Child, mild. Gain, remind. Gain, remind. Fourth stanza rhyming words. They may. They may. Bird, cat. Bird, cat. Fifth stanza. Speak gently to the aged one. Grieve not the care-worn heart. The sands of life are nearly run. Let such in peace depart. Sixth stanza. Speak gently, kindly to the poor. Let no hard stone be heard. They have enough they must endure, without an unkind word. So look at the fifth stanza rhyming words. One, run. One, run. Hard, depart. Hard, depart. Sixth stanza. Poor, endure. Poor, endure. Heard, word. Heard, word. Seventh stanza. Speak gently to the erring. No, they may have toiled in vain. Perchance unkindness made them so. Oh, win them back again. See the rhyming words. No, so. No, so. Vain, again. Vain, again. Next stanza. Speak gently, he who gave his life to bend man's stubborn will. When elements were in fierce strife, said to them, peace be still. Rhyming words. Life, strife. Life, strife. Will, still. Will, still. Ninth stanza. Speak gently, it is a little thing dropped in the heart's deep well. The good, the joy which it may bring, eternity shall tell. See the rhyming words. Think, bring. Think, bring. Well, tell. Well, tell. The author name David Bates. Explanation of first stanza. The poet David Bates says that we should speak gently because it is better to rule over people by love than fear. Speaking harshly can destroy the good things and bring a bad name to us. Explanation of second stanza. The poet says that we must speak in gentle voice which can bind hearts in friendship. Affection voice is always stronger and has a great impact on life. Explanation of third stanza. The author tells us to be kind to the little children. If we speak gentle to them, we will surely gain their affection. Explanation for fourth stanza. Speak gently to young as they need life full of support and care. Since they are already suffering enough all the burdens in life, they must lead life the best possible way, and loving and caring words would ratify the youngster's mind. Explanation for fifth stanza. David Bates says to speak gently with old people as they are already very tired of the troubles. They are nearing the end of the days. We should support them emotionally so that they may depart the world in peace. Explanation for sixth stanza. The author says to speak gently to the poor. Already the poor people have enough hardship and suffered patiently. So we should speak kind words to them in a soft tone of voice. Explanation for seventh stanza. David Bates tells us we should speak gently to the ones who have made several mistakes in life, maybe due to the unkindness of people towards them. They would have gone on the wrong way without yielding any fruits. We can win them by good words only. Eighth stanza explanation. The poet David Bates mentions about the God who had given of his life to bend man's unchanging mind when all the elements of the earth were in the battle against each other. He told them to be at peace and still. Explanation for ninth stanza. The poet says that speaking gently, it's a little thing. The poet compares a heart to deep well. When we put a little kind and gentle word to the deep heart, it would touch a human heart and bring joy and goodness, which will last more than an eternity beyond the end of the world. So, we should speak gently to others. Okay, students, I hope you will understand this poem. Thank you.